Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is another unboxing. I find these so fun to do because I'm just so excited to open my package, and then I think that other people will be excited to see what I'm getting because it's like a fun gift. So yes, I'm unboxing today. So some of this is for me, some of it is not, but we're just gonna all open it anyway. Okay, so this is a separate thing. I'm not gonna open that on camera. Oh, look how fun. Some grapevine perches. Oh, these are so awesome. So, one, I can't remember exactly what's my order and what's the Cheeky Beaks donation order. I'll have to double check, but I know I ordered grapevine for my chinchillas, so I think this was probably a good one because it's kind of thicker and more sturdy for them. We got a really big circle-boss perch. This is really awesome. Birds love chewing the bark off of this. It's also really good if you have a bird that isn't super into toys, but they'll love chewing this, so they're still like doing an activity and they're still like keeping their beak at a reasonable length because they're still chewing wood. So circle-boss perches are awesome. And then ooh, another perch. Okay. Oh, you guys, I found this. This package is not supposed to be by me. This is supposed to be sent to someone else. Well, I'm glad we found out where this thing is. Okay. I'm glad we found where this is, but this isn't supposed to be by me. Okay, well, that's solved. And then, what does this say? To Cody. See, this also isn't supposed to be here. You see, this package was sent from Cape Town to me, and then it was sent from one person to my friend, and my friend was supposed to take this package and another package, and she was supposed to send them somewhere else. She just sent them to me. Oh my goodness. We were like chatting today about we have no clue where these packages went. Well, found out where they are now. And then we've got this. Okay, so now to open this. This is a toy order. Some toys for my birds. If I can open this. So this one is for Foxy. She absolutely loves this. She goes wild for this. Oh, a whole bunch of foot toys. Tango really likes these. I ordered, I think there's like 10 in here. Maybe 15. I can't remember exactly. Then, oh my goodness. Okay, so here we have a business card and a little gift. The beads. Tango loves beads, and you'll see I ordered a toy especially for him because of that. So, okay. Here we have eucalyptus perches. These are some hefty perches. And then, oh my gosh, look at this. Tango is going to lose his mind. This is so awesome. This is called like the Chloe fan, and as you can see there are so many beads on here. Tango is going to lose his mind. That's exciting. Then we have, I can't pull that one out yet. This rainbow twirl one. It looks really cool once it's all opened and stuff. I'll do that now and show what it looks like. we have a bead finder. I wanted to get something that, you know, will take him some time to chew, because the beads don't last that long. So I needed to get something that will take a bit more time to chew. And then this is so much bigger than I thought. Oh no. I mean, it's not like nose in a bad way, but it's like, this is really big. So yes, that's also for Tango. It's really big. And then we have the little package. Oh yes, I specifically asked for 2 shorter perches. And then a cute little swing for little birdies. So this is for, like, I don't know, if we get a little budgie or something in foster care again, can give them this cute swing. It's just my like favorite material. It's just the prettiest pattern. Here we go. Here's what this rainbow twirl looks like. Thought this might be fun for Tango because it's something that he'll be able to chew quite quickly, and then it's like you have something that he can chew quickly in comparison to something that takes longer. So variety in that sense I think is really good. So yeah, that is my order. It's a lot of perches, but we needed some perches for fosters here in PE. So thank you all so much for watching. If you found this in any way entertaining, you can give this video a thumbs up. I will leave a link to the places where I purchased these. The toys, the eucalyptus perches are from Toys by Cockatoo Jewel, and then the circle post perches and the grapevine perches are from Sylvana's Paris perches. And both people are team members of Cheeky Beaks, and both do so much amazing work. Also, if you purchase from Sylvana's Parrot perches, a percentage of the profits goes to Cheeky Beaks, and of course, like Toys by Cockatoo Jewel does regularly donate toys to us as well. So just phenomenal places that you should really support. So that's all from me, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!